President Trump has absolutely been lambasting not just President Xi, but also Fed Chair Jay Powell, and the Chinese say they're going to add additional tariffs. What's going on?
Well, it should be no surprise that the Chinese are going to add additional tariffs. Their strategy for 40 years has been tit for tat to respond in kind, and this is a continuation of that trend. So nobody should have been surprised by the Chinese actions. However, the White House appears not to have anticipated this result.
So is the expectation now in the market that essentially a long-term type of trade deal with China is completely off the table, that some type of save-face deal is really what the Chinese and the U.S. are going to come to? And if so, when?
So there are many problems. There are problems on the trade side. There's problems on the technology side. There's problems on the security side. Now, the trade issues are the easiest to address, and hopefully there will be a response or an agreement on the trade side within the foreseeable future. The President Xi and President Trump will be sitting down together at APEC in November in Santiago, Chile, and that would be a wonderful opportunity to settle the trade issues.
You have a direct line to the U.S. Ambassador, Terry Branstad. You've had him speak at your events. I'm curious as to what your members are hoping his message will be to the Chinese. I mean, surely your members don't want this to continue indefinitely.
Oh, that is so true. The message to the Chinese has been for a long time that they need to reform their economy, to open up their economy, to provide foreign and particularly American companies with a level playing field. And that is in China's interest as well. If you separate the economics from the politics and the security issues, there's a very good case for removing the tariffs and coming to an agreement that addresses China's short and long-term needs, as well as the needs of American companies. There is a win-win hidden in this mess. We just need to get to it. And that the next opportunity for that would be November at the APEC meetings in Chile.